Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. Welcome to today's video. I am back and guys, you need to like pull my ears, okay, so I can stick with Makeup Mondays. Today's tutorial, as you can see, it's very bright, very colorful, very spring appropriate. Spring is right around the corner. We're almost done with the month of February. March is here. I'm a Pisces baby. Shout out to all my Pisces. My birthday is March 11th. I'm turning young full 32. I'm trying to be positive about my age, okay? Like, being older doesn't mean that you're just a viejita. It just means that you're wiser. So today I decided to just play with some color. I've been loving green lately. Like, the mint color is just such a trendy and beautiful look. So I decided to pull out my BH Cosmetics Sweet Shoppe Pistachio palettes. You guys, these are all over TJ Maxx, super affordable, and the palette itself is gorgeous. The quality is amazing. Today's video is going to be a voiceover as well as focus just on the eyes. If you guys want to see the rest of my face routine, I will have a link up here, which is why this whole look might seem familiar to you guys. I just filmed another look talking about the new foundation from Makeup Forever. So anyways, enough of that chatter. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and let me know if you guys want to see more Makeup Monday videos styled like this, where I just really focus on the eyes. I will definitely switch it up and include face, like full face tutorials, but like the eye tutorials just really get me, and this eye came out so pretty. All right, that is it. Grab your cafecito and let's start with today's Makeup Monday tutorial. Starting off with my BH Cosmetics Sweet Shoppe Pistachio palette. As you can see, it's beautiful. It has 4 mattes and 4 shimmers. We're going to start off by priming the lids. As always, this is the NYX Ultimate Shadow and Liner Primer. It's my go-to. If you're new here, this is a primer that you really need to look into because it acts as a gripping eyeshadow primer and it just really holds on to everything. We're gonna go super detailed into today's video, so make sure you're sitting back, make sure you're relaxed, or grab your brushes because today's look is going to be super fun. I loved the way this turned out. I hope you guys recreated. I cannot wait to see your recreations. All right, the first shade I'm taking is called Cone or Cup. This is obviously the deepest shade in the palette. It is a beautiful green, and what I like to do is I like to pack the darkest shade into the crease, the lowest part of the crease. The reason why is because I like to start with darker shades and then work my way up. By doing this, you concentrate most of the color onto the crease, and I feel like you don't have to work as hard with blending. The brushes that I'm using today are the Morphe and Ariel. I do switch back and forth between brushes. I will try to link them all in the description box down below so you can shop for them. These are just my go-to brushes that I like to use, and make sure that you do go back and forth and pack on the color. Now, to blend everything, I am taking the shade Nutty, which is right next to Cone or Cup. This one is a really pretty like green. It's a little bit bright, but not too crazy bright. As you can see, I am packing that on right where we left off Cone or Cup. Just right on the edge is where you want to apply this. You want to gently tap it in and then start blending it out. This is the e.l.f. Defined crease brush, I believe. I know it's from e.l.f. Super affordable and it works so good. You want detailed brushes for detailed work. I'm going to take a little bit more of the shade Nutty and just really focus on the outer corners because I really want this to be like blown out and all the colors to be cohesive, soft, and blended. Again, just make sure that you go back and just check on your work to see where you need more color. Once you've pretty much blended everything, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my crease. And you're probably thinking, well, what are you doing? I am using eyelash curlers with concealer. This has been my go-to hack. You guys have seen me do this a few times and it seriously saves so much time. And again, if you have a hard time cutting your crease, this is the hack for you. This works on any eye shape. Doesn't matter if you're a pro or if you're a beginner, this just works, okay? It makes it easy for you to stamp your crease and then go back in and clean it all up. I love doing this technique so much. Ever since I discovered it on TikTok, I seriously have not looked back. I'm going to go back with my concealer, and now I'm going to pack that all over the lid. Again, you guys have seen me do this a million times. All I'm doing is just pretty much creating a clean, clear canvas on the lids for any eyeshadow that we lay on the top to be ready. Now I'm going to go with this P. Louise base. I will have the name in the description box down below. I decided last minute to add this, but as you can see, it's a beautiful mint color. I really wanted the next shadows to pop, and because I didn't clean my crease with like a Q-tip or anything like that, I didn't want this to get muddy, so I decided to add some color. I mixed Guilty Pleasure and Soft Serve, which are the other two mattes from the palette, the first two mattes, and it created this just gorgeous pastel green. It was so pretty, and I made sure to really pack it on. I have pretty saggy lids, I like to call them, so I make sure that I go back and pack them on, otherwise I will layer it on top of the crease. Okay. We're going to go back with cone or cup, and I'm going to work on the outer corners. As you can see here, I'm sweeping the brush back and forth and just making sure that everything is nice and blended. I go back a few times and just diffuse the colors, pack it on, blend, pack it on, and blend. That's all you are going to do. And then I just kind of look at the areas to see where I need a little bit more blending, where maybe I need a little bit more work, and I go back. This is when you want to take a big fluffy brush and kind of like diffuse everything and make it look nice and flawless, if you will. I'm going to go back with a little bit of Nutty, and again just diffusing the edges of the crease. This is really just going to bring the whole look together, and you just want to make sure that you look back and look at what you want. If you want more color, then you go back and add more, which is exactly what I like to do. I'm going to take a little bit of Guilty Pleasure and just blend the outer edges just so everything is cohesive and goes with the eye look. I'm taking a very small detail brush. This one is from ColourPop from their Bare Necessities collection, and I'm going into cone or cup and really cleaning up that crease so it looks super sharp, and then going in with some Morphe brushes to clean the outer corners to make them nice and soft and blown out. Again, I will have all the brushes listed down below so you guys can get on your journey and start creating some bomb looks, because I know that everybody is capable of doing it. It just takes time and practice. For the inner corner, I really wanted to brighten up the eyes, so I took a little bit of Sweet Life and Dessert and I just mixed them together, and I added those to the inner corners. We're going to pop on some mascara. This is one that I've been really liking by Milani. It's the Anti-Gravity Mascara. It is pretty new. I really like the wand. I'm surprised because I typically don't like these types of wands. So that is pretty much it for the eyes, you guys. Very simple. You can do an eyeliner, but I decided not to. Looking back at this look though, I do wish I would have gone with a mint colored eyeliner. I feel like it just really would have tied the whole look together, but I don't know what I was thinking. So I just went with a nude. It still looks really pretty and it really opens up the eyes. But if you guys recreate this look, add a mint color into the waterline, it'll look amazing. I'm going back with Cone or Cup and Nutty and just really blowing that out underneath the lash line. Just making sure those colors are nice and blended, and then connecting it to the outer part of the eyes to, again, just make everything soft and everything's just going to flow and look so good together. For my lip liner, I am taking this one by L.A Girl. It's called Gingerbread. It's been my go-to. It's super creamy, super pigmented, and it has the most beautiful, rich caramel shade, and it goes well with so many lip colors. So Anastasia recently released new lipsticks. I think she just reformulated them, and I wanted to try this one out. This one is called Haze. It's a satin lipstick, and I know it looks a little bit crazy. Obviously, it's really washed out, but just check this out. I went back with a lip liner and I reapplied it, just really creating that ombre effect. I feel like that's what really brought the whole lip together. I wanted something cool tone and something soft. And then I topped it off with the new lip gloss from Patrick Ta called Superficial. This was my first time trying it out and I am obsessed. It is so pretty, super glossy, and it just looked perfect with this eye look. And here she is. She is full beat, you guys. What do you think? I feel like this look goes with the hair as well. Wow, I am so shocked at how this look turned out. I mean, pat on the back for me because I feel like I haven't really played with color like this in a while. I've been really into like neutrals and just very basic eye looks, but it's so much fun to be back, especially with Makeup Mondays. I know that you guys appreciate them and you guys learn a lot, and I love to teach, so I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new. Definitely let me know what color I should do next because now I have this like colorful bug inside me and I really want to create some bomb looks. Alright you guys, I am out. I'm gonna go ahead and make some dinner for my family. I love you all. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye! Mwah.